Okay, so this is PicMonkey right here. I pay for it yearly, but I'll use templates and fonts that come with the free version. So if you hit design right here, there's touch up. You can touch up images, edit, collage, but design will take you to templates. And you can choose what size you want, like 5 by 7, 8.5 by 11. There's category sizes right here, print sizes, categories for what you're making, or blank canvases. And you can totally scroll down, there's a ton of them, and just choose kind of the layout you want for what you're doing. So like maybe for Girls Camp, maybe you have something like this. And then you're just going to hit customize. And that will bring you to the screen that has all the tools. And it's going to look a little, let me move my, I hope that translated. So these are all your tools on the left-hand side. So I'm going to start at the top. These are basic edits, cropping, exposure, sharpen. These are really cool. The next one down, this is going to be, it's going to change the complete look of everything you're doing. It's not hugely obvious right now, but when you're going through it, those are just different. Like Instagram, it's like that, these ones, but they're really cool. This is for makeup, photo editing. You can erase wrinkles, anything like that. Text, this will add in pictures. You can add your own little flowers. There's just a ton of stuff there. Frames, this you probably won't really use textures. These are themes, like vampire theme. It will give you like alabaster skin and blood drops and, you know, dark foresty stuff. So themes are kind of cool. There's a limited amount of them. As you see, there's only like maybe 10 or so. And this one at the bottom, I'm not even really sure what that, oh, templates again. Okay, so back to this. So you can just click on it and it will bring up, you can just double click and start typing. Like, let's say, Girls Camp, enter 2018, you know, and then here, instead of having a picture, you can have like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever you're going to do here. So this, so it already has it kind of built in, so you can, anyway, this one, but you can find one that's going to work for you, or you can just come over here to text, hit add text, and it will add it right here, and then you can just click and drag and move that around. Monday, center, let's bring this over. Sorry, I forgot to do my mouse cursor thing where you can see the mouse. You can change sizes. It works just like an overlay, like there's layers, so you can right click, say send back, bring forward, straighten, delete, duplicate text, whatever. These are all your different fonts. You can change the color. There's a ton of fonts here. They're kind of cool. So that will give you that. And then once you get it done on your template, you can save or export. I exported I save everything to my hub, which is on here, just in case I need to go back and change something. Because once you export it, you can't edit it anywhere else. So you're going to want to save to your hub, which is like the internal saving thing, and then export. I export always at the Sean. It's like the highest. These are different qualities. It's kind of dumb. But Sean is the highest quality. I name it, and then I send it out as either one of these, because then I can upload these into Costco and print off however many. Or the printing one that I used, I'll have to look. But Costco can print them in matte on like 5 by 7s or 4 by 6s pretty much in a day. That other one I had to wait almost a week for mailing because I was ordering so many and it was on cardstock. But if you use a matte print from Costco, it's kind of like the same thing. But the other place that I ordered for our family reunion, I wanted both sides. I don't know if you did too, but I can look up that thing. Then export to your computer, tell it where to save, and all that. Let me know if you have any questions. Sorry that was so long. Good luck!